Most Indian exporters are chasing the United States, Dubai, and the Middle East, but very few are paying attention to a high margin market that quietly imports billion-dollar products from India every year, and that is Canada. If you're an exporter looking for a stable buyer and better profit margins, Canada might be one of the most underrated opportunities today. Let's look at the real trade data. India and Canada currently have over $13 billion in bilateral merchandise trade. And here's the interesting part. India exports more to Canada than it imports. In 2024 alone, India exported roughly $4 to 5 billion worth of goods to the Canadian market, and this number has been growing steadily. But what makes Canada interesting for Indian exporters? Canada imports thousands of product categories from India, which means the market is still far away from saturated. For new exporters, this means more room to enter and compete. Some of the most demanded products from India includes pharmaceutical products, machinery and industrial equipments, iron and steel articles, electrical machinery and electronics, jewelry and precious stones, organic chemicals, tea, coffee, spices, processed foods, and many others. Pharmaceutical exports alone are worth of hundred of million of dollars every year, making them one of the India's largest export categories to Canada. But the opportunity is not limited to the big industry. Even agriculture products, food items, and specialty goods from India are seeing strong demand in the Canadian market. Now, you must be thinking about the profit margins in the Canadian market. Compared to many international markets, Canada often allows higher export margins. Agriculture products 15 to 30%, processed foods and spices 25 to 40%, textile and garments 20 to 35%, engineering products 80 to 30%. This happens because Canadian buyers usually prioritize quality, compliance, and reliable supply rather than simply choosing the lowest price. So, if you are an exporter searching for higher margins, stable buyers, and long term growth, Canada is not just another export market, it could become one of the most profitable destinations for Indian exporters in the coming decade. If you want to learn more about global trade and opportunities, international markets, and profitable export products, follow this page and I will keep bringing the real insights from the global import export industry. Jai Hind.